The question is reduce the following equations into the intercept form. These are the equations of line that is given to you. Okay. So the general form that we have for the linear equation is ax plus by plus c that is equals to 0. And all the equations given in the question are in this form. We have to convert these forms into the intercept form, which is x by a plus y by b that is equals to 1. Means right hand side I want 1. Now how to convert? So let's take the first question, and the first question, let me make a line for that. Okay. So it is enough for the first question. So the first question is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. I want constant value to the right hand side. So I will take negative 12 to that side, become positive 12. I want 1 here. 12 will become 1 when I divide by 12 only. So what I will do, I will divide both sides by 12. So we have two terms in the left hand side. So we divide it by 12. It gives you 1. This 3 times 4, 2 times 6. So it will become x by 4 plus y by 6. Okay, plus y by 6. Y by 6 that is equals to 1. Now this is the intercept form we have already discussed. Now what they are asking to find the intercepts on the axis. So please understand first of all, what is the meaning of intercepts? Whenever you have an xy plane and there is a line which is passing through the two axes. So please remember this thing everyone, that this point and this point is on the y-axis and this point is on the x-axis. These are the intercepts. This is the y-intercept, this is the x-intercept. So if I will say this distance is b and this distance is a. So if I will talk about the coordinate of point A, it will become 0, b, because you know that on y-axis x is 0 and on x-axis y is 0. So it will become 0, a. So if I will ask you, what are the intercepts? So x-intercept is what? X-intercept which is a, 0. So what is a, which I got under x, which is 4, 0. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept that is equals to 0, 6, because 6 is there. Okay, that is 0, b, like that. So this is the thing. Now, if I will talk about the second equation, which is 4x minus 3y is equals to 6. Already the constant is on the right hand side. To make 6 as 1, I will divide both sides by 6. So when I will divide by 6, it becomes 1. Now this will become 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and 3 times 2. If I will see, the x have 2 in multiply in numerator, minus y by 2 is equals to 1. Everything is in the form, but here I don't want anything. So what I will do, I will take this 2 to the denominator of 3. So it will become 3 by 2. Okay, I will write it nicely so that you will understand. So 3 by 2 minus y by 2 that is equals to 1. So one thing difference, the plus sign is there, but if we will take this value as negative, so it will become plus. You can take this form as, because the plus sign is there in the intercept form. So negative I will take as minus y by 2. Okay, coefficient as negative half, let's say. Now what are the intercept? If I will talk about the x-intercept means a, 0. Whatever you have under x, that is a. So it's 3, 2, 0. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is, because you have a negative 2, because negative sign I will take downward. Okay. In the fraction, it does not matter whether the negative sign is in the numerator or denominator. So the value will be 0, negative 2. Okay. So this is the, we can say the y-intercept, right? Now let's talk about the third equation, which is 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So 3y, sorry. Okay. 3y plus 2 is equals to 0. So 3y is equals to negative 2. Okay, I will take the constant. To make negative 2 as 1, I will divide both sides by negative 2. So it will become 3y by negative 2 and negative 2 by negative 2. So this will become 3y over negative 2 is equals to 1, because this will 1 only. Now what is y? I will take this 3 downwards, so it will become 2 by 3 that is equals to 1. Now there is no x here. So what are the intercept, everyone? Please understand it very carefully. So x-intercept for the third equation will become 0, 0, because there is no coefficient of x. There is no x. So a is also 0. If there is no x, means a is 0. And y-intercept it is 0, negative 2 by 3. Negative 2 by 3, right? So this is this, everyone.